In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-save an Excel file in OneDrive. Whether you're working on important spreadsheets for your business or keeping track of personal budgets, maintaining an automatic backup can be a game changer in staying organized and ensuring your data is safe. Let's begin by opening the Excel file you want to save automatically in OneDrive. Once you've got it open, make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account, as this will allow access to your OneDrive. You'll typically find the account sign in area at the top right corner of your Excel window. If you're not signed in, go ahead and do so now. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, no worries. Creating one is straightforward and can be done on the official Microsoft website. With your file open and your account ready, let's look at the top left corner of your Excel window where, next to the Save icon, you'll find an Auto-Save toggle switch. Clicking this toggle will enable auto-saving for your current file to OneDrive. Now, if this is your first time using this feature, Excel might prompt you to save your file to OneDrive explicitly. Go ahead and confirm this choice by selecting OneDrive as your save location. Next, you may be asked to choose a specific folder within OneDrive to store your file. You can select any existing folder, or you can create a new one specifically for your Excel documents. Choose the option that best suits your organizational needs. Once this is set, Excel will begin saving your file to OneDrive automatically as you make changes. This means every edit you make is backed up in real time, protecting your hard work from unexpected mishaps. To confirm it's working correctly, check the top of your Excel window where the file name is displayed. You should see a small cloud icon next to it, signaling that your document is successfully syncing with OneDrive. This little icon is your assurance that every calculation, chart, and data entry is safe and sound. Occasionally, you might find yourself working without internet connection, and that's no problem at all. The auto-save feature will pause while you're offline and automatically resume once you reconnect to the internet, syncing any changes you made in the interim. Finally, for an added layer of control, you can manage your version history right from OneDrive. Simply navigate to OneDrive through your browser, find your Excel file, right-click it, and select Version History. This nifty feature allows you to view and restore previous versions of your document, offering peace of mind if you ever need to revert to an earlier state. And there you have it. By enabling auto-save in Excel with OneDrive, you're taking a proactive step in safeguarding your valuable data. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.